Buy unique baby shower gifts. You've been invited to a baby shower and have to decide on a gift. If the notion of giving traditional items such as a car seat or baby swing do not appeal to you, read on. Here are a few ideas for unique gifts that will stand out from the crowd. Start with the expectant parents' gift registry, if they have one. Although you do not want to buy a gift directly from their registry, looking it over will give you an idea about the color scheme for the baby's room and a general feel for the types of things that the parents might appreciate. Once you have ideas about color preferences, you can consider which items might coordinate well with what they've already chosen. If you are creative, you can make a coordinating blanket, wall hanging or other decorative accent. Consider the parents' interests and purchase child-sized versions of their hobby items. Toddler-sized golf clubs, children's art supplies or small musical instruments make good choices. Browse small, out-of-the-way shops. You will be much more likely to come across unique gifts at mom and pop stores than at mass merchandisers. Personalize it. Choose an item such as a baby blanket and instead of having the child's name embroidered on it, nice but very common, personalize it with a favorite line from a song, poem, or children's story. Freeze time. Start with an attractive box and fill it with time capsule items. Select things that reflect current news, fashion, and social trends. Decide on a future date for the box to be opened, maybe on the child's 16th birthday, and write that date on the outside of the box. Be sure to include a letter written to the child. Make a gift that will be cherished forever. Purchase good quality stationery and envelopes and ask family members to each write a letter to the baby. Tie the stack of envelopes with festive ribbon and include instructions on when the letters should be read. For a twist on that idea, number the envelopes 1 to 18 and give one to each family member. Ask them to compose their letter to the child to be read when she reaches the age on their envelope. Artistic. Create a one-of-a-kind painting or sculpture for the baby's room. A sketch of the baby's parents, drawn from old baby pictures, would be terrific for the nursery. Start shopping as soon as you find out that the baby is on the way. You will increase your chances of finding something special and unusual if you give yourself a little extra time. Quick tips. More expensive doesn't necessarily mean better. Useful links. Gifts from the Heart, Joann Craft Supplies.